Hi children, today we are discussing about the story sums. Before classes already I told how to addition, how to do the addition, properties of additions I told. Today story sums, how to making the stories, how to write the statements and at what time we will add the what he gave the number of things anything. Okay, we have to, so how to add and I will say. See on the board once, I will read that this one sum is there. In one day cricket match, India scored 375 runs. 375 runs and Australia scored 114 runs. How many runs were scored on that day? See, in the sum, one day cricket match, about cricket match he gave. In the cricket match in between India and Australia, the competition in India and Australia. In that, both countries scored runs he gave. In that runs, which is more runs is having, which country is having more runs? India is having more runs than the Australia. But it is not asking more runs. Total on the day, scored on the day, how many runs were scored on the day means both countries they scored how many runs on the day. On the day, which day? When they are played cricket match. Okay, means what? Together he is asking means whatever he gave the runs, both countries runs we will add it. Okay, we have to add the runs. First, how to write the statements first. Okay, see once, in one day cricket match, India scored 375 runs. 375 runs we have to write in the left side statement, right side is a score. What we have to write? Number of runs India scored. Number of runs India scored. Solution, compulsory we have to write solution. Now we have to write number of runs India scored. How many runs he gave? It will be easy 375 runs. Okay, how much it will be easy? 375 runs. Okay, India statement till year statement over. Next one is there, and Australia scored 115 runs. Now second statement is number of runs Australia scored. How much should be that is? Australia is how much? 114 runs. Total number of runs. How to write total? Both together is asking, that's why we have to write total number of runs. Which one is there? We have to add 375 plus 114. Okay, directly vertical if you add, horizontal if you will add, you can add. Otherwise, if you are getting doubt means this we have to write in the vertical method. First we have to write 375. In that math school notebook, right side one column it will be, big margin column it will be. In that, whenever we are doing the story sum, rougher we have to use the right side of the column. Right side of the column we have to use. Margin it will be is there in math notebook. That time that side we have to do. Okay. Now see, 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 3 plus 1 is 4. It will be a total. Both countries were scored on the day 489 runs. Okay children, see here, first whatever he gave, the question we have to read properly, then we have to write the statement about what he gave in the sum, then we have to write the statements. What is asking last, it will be a last statement. Is asking total or difference. If he is asking total means we have to add, and if he is asking difference means we have to subtract. But subtraction I didn't told. Then in this chapter it will be become all together addition sums only. Now it will be become total number of runs. Both together countries they score, it will be 489 runs. Okay children. Now this is the one sum of about the one story sum. Second, one more story sum is there, that is the right side of the board. See childrens, okay, now a garden has, see, a garden has 242 rose flowers. It's having how many flowers? 242 rose flowers and 527 jasmine flowers. In a garden, 242 rose flowers are there and 525 jasmine flowers are there. Okay, in that what is asking, how many flowers are there all together? Means what? Is asking total number of flowers. How many flowers are there in the garden? He is asking. Together means what? We have to add both. How many roses are there? How many jasmine flowers are there? We will count and we will say. Not count means single flower we can't count. That's why we can together we will add that we will say the total number of flowers is having in the garden, that we will say. Okay, some means single flowers we can't, and in a classroom we can't bring rose flowers, we can't bring jasmine flowers, single we can't count. That's why the story sums, the importance is that only. Okay, together we have to means addition we will do. Now we read already now the story sum, then we have to conclude to the completion, we have to do addition. Okay, now we have to write the statements. First what we have to write, a garden has 242 rose flowers. How many rose flowers are there? 242 rose flowers are there. Now we have to write what? We have to write statement, number of rose flowers. Now we can write the solution, number of rose flowers. Number of rose flowers, how many are there? 242. The number of rose flowers are 242. The next one, jasmine. Jasmine flowers, how many are there? 7. Now number of jasmine flowers. How many are there? I rounded here. How many are there? They only rounded 527. Jasmine flowers are 527. Okay children, now it will be see what is asking, total number of flowers in the garden. Total number of flowers all together, or total number of flowers we can write. Total number of flowers. What we have to do together is asking what I told, we have to add. What we have to do? Addition, 242 plus 527. 242 and 527. Addition, then it will be 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is a 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. Total how many are there? 769 flowers. Story sum is about flowers. Story sum is about flowers. Okay. Now see children. Again one more time I will explain. Listen one carefully. See, it will be easy. You can see. I think. Okay now see, it will be easy. First question. In that first question, the number of runs India scored for that 375 runs, and number of runs Australia scored, it will be easy, 114 runs. Then what is asking? He is asking total number of runs two countries scored in two countries. Means what we have to do? Both together we will add. Then it will be easy. 375 runs and 114 runs. Then total how much we got? We will add 489 we got. Okay, this is the first story sum. Now we can go to the second story sum. Then the story sum, it will be about the, in a garden is asking flowers. Which one is there now in that flowers? What is that? Rose flowers are there and jasmine flowers are there in the garden. Now what is asking? Total number of flowers, how many are there in the garden is asking. So now what we have to do? We can write the statements of what he gave in the question. First we wrote number of flowers, and I told that first rose flowers how many are there? 242 is there. Again jasmine flowers how many are there? 527 is there. Total number of flowers, it will be easy. We have to add together 242 plus 527. How to add? We can write both together. Write the vertical method. Then we can add. Answer, it will be easy. 769 flowers are there. How many runs? First story sum, how many runs? 489 runs we got. Second story sum, it will be flowers, that is a 769 we got. Okay children, thank you. Okay, next session I will explain about the more story sums. Thank you.